Hey guys, Shudat here from TechJockeyHD, and today we are going to be talking about why Samsung Galaxy A5 is being used by some companies as their official company phone for work. So let's get started. First reason is the battery life. If someone is working, the last thing that they want to do is worry about charging their phone. Galaxy A5 not only has a 3000 mAh battery, but its software has a bunch of controllable functionalities that help this battery to last even longer. Now, if there might be someone who forgot to charge their phone, it does have a fast charging mode as well, which helps you spend least amount of time on charging it. Second reason is the durability. The sleek design that this phone has, where you cannot uncover it, makes it very hard to get destroyed. Keep in mind that you still need a better screen protector to keep the screen from getting scratched if the work involves outdoor or rough situations. Third reason is the speed and efficiency. It's very impressive how this phone has 3GB of RAM along with 1.9 GHz of octa-core CPU speed. All this along with the expandable memory makes it a perfect phone for all kinds of business needs. Fourth, and the main reason, is the price. It is currently on sale for $375 Canadian, and given that the companies get discounts for bulk purchases, gives it an upper hand for being the first choice. Not only that, but the fact that this has many advanced features like NFC, accelerometer, fingerprint scanner, proximity scanner, and an RGB sensor for a better screen resolution, I personally will give this phone a try, and from what I see, this is indeed a good choice. That wraps up the video. Hope you guys liked this video. If so, subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.